You can steal a kiss from me if you promise to give it back. You can steal a kiss from me, but don't take my wine or my lipstick or my Dollar Tree bag. It's Beachly bag time. All right, so I am a subscriber of Beachly. If you don't know, it's a subscription box. It's all things summer beach, and that is my vibe. I'll prove it to you. Boom. Look at it. Palm tree. Oh, yes. I just got back from the beach. I was at the beach this past week with our family, 7 different families in one house. Backyard was the beach. I'm literally like living my dream life. It's amazing. And I know it sounds like hokey, but it is my therapist. I go to therapy. I love therapy. I've been going to since I'm 14. But when I was like describing just this summer, what I'm doing, and then I was saying, we're going with my husband's family. They're amazing. They're peaceful. There's no drama. There's no conflict. It is ease and flow and joy to spend that amount of time in one house with 7 families, and it's just fun and easy. That just hasn't been my experience in life, especially like as a child, right? So to go from a lot of like chaos and just stress to be able to live the life I'm living is insane. And that's why I do what I do. If you don't know, I'm a somatic healing facilitator now. It's official. I got my certification. If you're interested in doing it, it's healing through the body. And it helps heal so much from the inside. So it's lasting. Like the mindset work is great. I can still do that. I still coach too. But this somatic healing is epic work that really has this lasting change that has changed my life in the last year. Like exponentially. It's insane. So if you want any information on that, I'll put a link to my schedule and we can have a call and you can have a session, see if you like it. If so, make it like a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly thing. Everybody needs to be doing it though. It is magical. Okay. This bag is magical too. So Beachly, back to Beachly. I just got excited. Whoa, things are falling. This is a bag I got. It seems like it's made out of recyclable material, but it's like a little beach tote. It has a little pocket in the back and in the inside. So Beachly, like I said, it's a subscription box. It comes every season. All beach things, so I just had to get it. I love it. It just makes me so happy. And I got these plates. You get to pick and choose if you do it in time. How cute are these? I'm obsessed with palm trees, flamingos, and pineapples. Look how cute. And then last but not least, it's white, a white one, right? Yeah. I love these. So basically you get really expensive items at a discounted price when you get them all together through subscription. That's kind of how these subscription boxes work, right? But I am loving these. What else we got? Oh, I ordered a second one of these. I got this in my last box or a couple boxes ago. This lip balm is just so good. Oh my God, it smells amazing. So it's like a little egg shape. And I love it. I still have my other one, but I saw they had them and I was like, I need to make sure I don't run out of that. We got a little clip, or multiple clips, hair clips, little shell shape. I'm gonna bust that guy out. I'm gonna wear that today. My daughter is at camp today, so I'm getting back into my videos, back into my work. Not like full-time because summer, and that's that dream life. I'm telling you, when you heal stuff, and you realize you can live your life how you want. Oh, I need to cut this open. When you realize what power you have over your own life because you've done some healing, because I feel like there are people who naturally have really great lives and healthy. No one's perfect, but better than I started out, right? And it's like those people tend to be more successful in life, like from the get-go, right? Because they have more self-worth. I didn't start out having self-worth at all. And they feel like all things are possible. Maybe they came from a family that was successful. They watched their parents have confidence and run their own businesses or just have dreams and easily reach them. Maybe they worked hard, but they knew they could. They had confidence, and so they had these role models or just family situations like that, right? So when you heal your like trauma, or whatever you want to call it. I know it's such a buzzword, blah, 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 but when you heal the stuff you got going on, that boo shiz, your whole life changes. And you start to see you're just as valuable as anyone else. And you have the probability and possibility of doing what other people, more successful people, are doing. Like, it's all possible. And looking at my life right now, I'm realizing I have created this dream life and I'm living it. And part of it is actually recognizing it, right? Like, what feeling I have often, these are so cute. Hold on 1 minute. I often have like feeling goals because that makes success so much easier to digest for me. It's like joy, peace, freedom. Like those are my 3 big words. Fun, whatever, throw that in there. But that's what my real goals are. It's not to be traveling every other week to this or having the best car or whatever, right? But when I reach those goals, I've noticed I'm more successful monetarily. When I'm feeling in a certain way, I'm getting more clients. Energetically, I'm attracting more people into my healing sessions and all that. It's just, I'm all about energetics. It's a real thing. Okay, so here are these little koozies. So cute. Keep your drinks nice and cold. What else? I think I might have taken something else out of here, but I don't remember what it was. And then this I haven't used yet. It's a waterproof speaker, and it has those dang palm trees that I love. Palm leaves rather. It's got a little charger. This is so cute. So you can bring this with you to the beach, to the pool. I will be bringing this to the pool. I might go this week. My daughter is in camp this week, but my friend has her kids home all summer and they're at the pool, our local pool we do swim team and everything at. So I'm probably going to join her. I mean, I'm going to work a little bit, but also play. See, that dream life. Like, I get to choose when I work. I get to choose when I go to the pool and just hang out with my friend while Cora's at her dance camp. Like, what? How did I get here? Not with a silver spoon in my mouth, okay? I went through some shiz, but guess what? I did the work. I did the healing to get here. Like, it is possible. Anyway, back to our speaker. Isn't that cute? Oh my God, I love you. I love it. It's like colorful and fun. I think that's it. But then I also have, this is not Beachly, but while we're here, Brian Anthony is a brand I found of jewelry. I'm going to wear these today. I got 3 necklaces. They had some sale. I got 3 necklaces and they're so cute. Look, it's a little palm tree. It says breathe and it has this whole thing. I will not read to you because you'll get very mad at me. You probably X out of my video and be like, boring. Look at that. I look like a palm tree. But it's like, you know me. I like the inspo. It's inspirational. So the world we live in, I said I would. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Don't worry. Spins so quickly. We're always in a rush to get somewhere, chasing the next moment, right? Instead of valuing what we have now. Instead of enjoying the one we're in. Like, okay, maybe I should just read. I know there's a lot going on right now. You feel like there's so much to do. But it's representative of stopping, taking the breath, and having a little palm tree on your neck. Because what? All right, I'm probably not going to put this on camera, but you can see it. There it is. It's adorable. It's not too gaudy. I love gaudy, but I know not everyone does. If you're on my channel, you might, though. Then I got these, so I'm going to split this. I forgot it. It was Cora's birthday yesterday. She turned 10. How did that happen? I was going to give her half of this, but I'll have to do that today. So this says, you are my sunshine. The love between a mother and daughter is like nothing else in the world. So you both have, it's like little bestie necklaces for mothers and daughters. Oh, so cute. So these are originally like $64 each. Like these are like, you're living your best life and $64 is just like, woo. I did get them on sale. I did. Here's the last but not least one. So you can layer them. They're like layering necklaces. They have other stuff too. Grit. This has been my word this whole year. And when I saw this, I'm like, that's so funny. I never hear that word. Like, it's just not a common word I hear or see, especially like on jewelry. That's what actually got my attention when I was looking at the jewelry. The first thing I was like, grit. I'm like, that's for me. She is unshakable, not because she doesn't know pain or failure, okay? No silver spoon, but because she always pushes through. She shows up and never gives up. So this is that reminder. You've got the reminder of like, keep going. Do it anyway. Do it anyway. I did a lot of do it anyway this weekend when we got back from the beach. It was Cora's birthday. I was not feeling well with some special monthly cramps that like knock me out to the ground. And I was like, do it anyway, push through. While at the same time, when I got home, taking care of myself, letting myself let the laundry be, though I didn't want to, right? So finding that balance, but having the grit. And this isn't just about like physical stuff going on, but like in my business, right? Like I'm going to keep going even when I feel like there's a hiccup or a glitch, or like my virtual assistant who just like disappeared and I didn't hear from her literally for weeks. And she's like, oh yeah, I'm having a baby and this and that. Like I had to pivot, right? But you get that grit and you do what you got to do in life. Don't become a victim. Don't the woe is me it. Like, yeah, we all got our crap. It sucks. Do some somatic healing with me, okay? We'll work through that so you can have grit. And then the You Are My Sunshine, that's just my little reminder. And then the breathing, right? So have grit, but take the time to, it's all about balance, right? So I love these three together. They're going to be fun. I'm going to put those on today. But anyway, I think that's it. But Beachly, it's awesome. I mean, what can I say? It's all things summer vibes, and that's my life. They have clothing. They have like towels, I think. I got a Fun Boy towel that is like so high quality. I've been using that for my shower towel, and I'm going to order another one, probably through Beachly, because you get a discount. So if you order a subscription box, you get that, but it gives you access to get like a deeper discount or continued discount, whatever, on other items. If you like, let's say it's a 5-item max or whatever in the box, you can still shop and add things to your box for those cheaper prices because you're part of the subscription. So I have added a couple random items, but I'm going to get another. I think it's Fun Boy is the brand name. It's absorbent and thin, and I just love it. I was like, why am I not using these for my shower towels? Like, I am getting rid of my shower towels from like Macy's that I feel like they're thick, and sometimes they'll get like almost like musty smelling, even though I wash them constantly. I've washed them in vinegar. I don't know. And it's been multiple brands. Tell me if you have a secret for that. I don't know why that is. And then I have Beach Trip. This is random. There's nothing to do with Beachly other than I want to smell like a beach. It's from Anthropology. What's your favorite scent? Leave it in the comments. I always choke on it. It's strong. Oh, but here I am at the beach. Namaste. So I will be doing, I have another channel, right, called Inner Sparkle Healing. I'm starting up. I just put a card pull on there. If you're into the woo-woo, the energy work, the somatic healing, the mindset stuff, all that, mind, body, spirit, goodness, go over there, Inner Sparkle Healing. I will put the link in the description down below, and subscribe there. Say hi to me. I did a card pull this morning. There's a couple meditations up on there. I'm going to continue to do some. What kind of content do you want on there? If you're that type of person, into the woo, meditations, card pulls, yoga. I did get a couple people saying they'd like me to do yoga again. So I can definitely do just have some yoga, maybe like I could do even like short sessions. Would you like shorter sessions? Like a 10-minute yoga? You want a 30-minute yoga? You want a whole class on there? I can do it. I do yin yoga. So it's like the relaxed, stretchy, getting that fascia girl yoga. So if you want that, let me know in the comments. I need you to help me help you. Oh, ASMR. Should I do some ASMR? All right. See you guys in the next video. Say hello in the comments.